Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala Special Anchovy Recipe. Using grated coconut gives the recipe a very unique taste. Serve it after 20 minutes of cooking for best taste. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 2 to 3 small pieces of Kokum Star, add 2 teaspoons salt and 3/4 cup of hot water. Stir it well with a spoon. Keep it aside for 20 minutes. Now in a pan, take 1 cup of grated coconut and sliced shallots, 3-inch size chopped ginger, 10 chopped garlics, 5 chopped green chillies, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon coconut oil. Mix it well with your hands.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Then add 500 grams of cleaned anchovy to it. Also add the Kokum Star water to it. Mix it well. Cook on high flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, keep it medium flame and close the lid. Cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, open the lid and stir it very gently. Cook for 6 minutes on medium flame without closing the lid. We are doing like this to reduce the excess water in it. After 6 minutes, switch off the flame. Our Kerala Special Anchovy recipe is ready. Using grated coconut gives the recipe a very unique taste. Serve it after 20 minutes of cooking for best taste.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.